Welcome to the next step in setting up your environment for your Plexosoft software. In this lesson, you're going to set up a Cloudflare account. This step is essential to distribute your website's static data across the globe. Yes, literally, across the entire planet. By the way, Cloudflare is completely free, unless your website requires significant computing power or advanced features. If that's the case, you can simply upgrade to a paid plan that best fits your needs. This is part of what's known as edge computing. Your main server doesn't need to deliver all resources by itself. There are thousands of other servers that can do that for you. Cloudflare provides a content delivery network, CDN, along with cybersecurity, DDoS protection, and global network services. In short, Cloudflare helps improve your website's performance and adds an extra layer of security to your infrastructure. The goal is that every visitor or user will load your website's resources from the server closest to them, ensuring the best possible speed and experience. Now, let's head to the Cloudflare homepage. Click on Start for Free or any other sign-up button if the layout changes in the future. You'll notice that Cloudflare showcases its power during the process. Some pages may take a moment to load due to their advanced security layers. We could implement something similar on your site if you decide to activate it later. That's optional. Perfect. Let's remember something very important. Never create an account using the Sign Up with Google or Quick Sign Up option. Doing so can make it very difficult for our support team to access your account when needed, because Google accounts include strong personal protections. Instead, use your email address and temporary password unless we specifically tell you otherwise. For example, in the case of GitHub's Quick Sign Up. Let's go ahead and fill out the form. Remember to keep a consistent temporary password across all platforms. This is the one you'll share with our support team during the installation process of your services. Next, confirm that you're human and click Sign Up. Wait a few seconds while Cloudflare completes the setup. Perfect. Congratulations! You've just unlocked a powerful tool for your online infrastructure. Now, take a moment to check your email and confirm your email address with them. Simply copy and paste the verification link into your browser. And that's it. Your Cloudflare account has been verified. At this stage, there's nothing else you need to do. Our team will take care of connecting your site to Cloudflare and configuring it properly so that everything runs smoothly in the future. However, I'd like to show you how a configured Cloudflare account looks and what you'll be able to manage on your own later. Perfect. Here's what it looks like once your domain is connected to Cloudflare. If we click on any domain, you'll find several options available. Block specific AI bots or all automated bots trying to scan your site. Set your site as under attack mode if needed. Activate development mode if you're working on updates and caching is causing issues, and control your site's speed optimization and caching performance. In the future, you may want to explore more tutorials on these specific features. You can test some of them if you'd like. But remember, not all features are compatible with your setup, and some might even affect your site's accessibility. So, use them carefully and keep our initial settings as they are. I hope this video helped you learn something new. It's always a pleasure to share useful information with you. Please remember to store your credentials securely and share only temporary passwords with our support team. See you in the next video.